Maintaining a clean air filter is vital for your Honeywell Portable Air Conditioner's efficiency and lifespan. Today, we'll walk through the complete cleaning process step by step. A dirty filter restricts airflow, making your unit work harder and potentially causing malfunctions. Regular cleaning maintains efficiency, extends lifespan, and reduces energy costs. Aim to clean your filter every 2 weeks or more frequently if you're in a dusty environment. Now let's go through the cleaning process. Step 1. Safety first. Always turn off and unplug your air conditioner from the power outlet before beginning any maintenance. Wait for the unit to cool down completely. Step 2. Locate and remove the air filters. They're usually behind a front panel or grill. Open the access door and carefully remove the filters. Some models may require unscrewing a grill to access the filters. Step 3. Use a vacuum cleaner with appropriate attachments to remove dust and debris from the filter. This initial cleaning removes most of the accumulated dirt and particles. Step 4. If the filter is heavily soiled and washable, gently wash it with mild soap and water. Rinse thoroughly to remove all soap residue. This deep cleaning removes stubborn dirt and odors. Step 5. Gently shake excess water from the filter and allow it to dry completely in a shaded, cool place. This typically takes 30 to 60 minutes. Never reinstall a wet filter, as this can damage your unit. Finally, step 6. Replace the clean, dry filter in the correct position and secure all grills and panels. Plug the unit back in and turn it on. The filter alert light should no longer be illuminated, and your air conditioner will operate at peak efficiency. Regular filter cleaning is essential for maintaining your Honeywell Portable Air Conditioner's optimal performance and extending its lifespan. Follow this process every 2 weeks for best results. Beyond filter cleaning, your Honeywell Portable AC needs regular exterior maintenance. Start by wiping down the exterior surfaces with a soft, damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Annually, clean the condenser coils located on the back of your unit. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to remove dust buildup. You can also use a fin comb to straighten any bent fins for optimal airflow. Regularly drain the water tank, especially in humid conditions. The tank fills with condensate during operation. If you see an E1 error code, this indicates the tank is full and needs immediate draining. Clean detachable pipes and hoses with a 70-30 ratio solution of water and vinegar. This removes buildup and eliminates odors. Always rinse with clean water and ensure hoses are completely dry before reinstalling. For end-of-season storage, follow these important steps. First, drain all remaining water from the unit. Run the unit in fan-only mode for 30 minutes to dry excess moisture. Clean and reinstall the air filter. Finally, store the unit in a dry location away from direct sunlight.